Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing Dollar Tree DIY Summer Dragonfly Centerpiece. I found these new photo frames at my local Dollar Tree and decided to grab 4. I go ahead and take them out of their packaging and decide to take the Dollar Tree super glue and glue the long sides together until 3 of them are attached, and making sure to allow ample drying time for each set glued together. Quick tip, do not use hot glue on these frames because it will not stay on. Once the 3 sides are attached, I go ahead and print out 4 images at 4x6 on cardstock. Then I just use scissors to go ahead and cut them out, but feel free to use a paper trimmer instead. Once all your pictures are cut out, go ahead and make sure to use the original framed image as a template guide to ensure that your pictures are not larger than that, and trim off any excess. Then go ahead and insert all your images into the photo frames and attaching the last frame with the super glue. I recommend doing it this way so that way you have easier access before you go ahead and close up all 4 sides. And to make sure that they are aligned on the other side, I go ahead and just add tape to the back of the images. Then go ahead and attach your last piece with super glue. Be careful with that super glue because unfortunately mine got stuck to my table and I had to pull it off with quite the force, and unfortunately it left some blemishes, so I'm covering them up with black chalk paint. Last year I bought this gray Lazy Susan in the, I guess you'd call it the clearance aisle, the aisle that you see right when you first walk into a Target, but anyways, I go ahead and cover it with this black and purple marble vinyl peel and stick, just to give it more of a high-end look. Feel free to use any contact paper that you find at the Dollar Tree as well. So in wrapping this vinyl around the underside of this Lazy Susan, I will say that I had some issues. It seemed that it stuck best if the lengths of the pieces were longer, so I did make a mistake in that regard. However, I tried to fix that by adding spare pieces or scraps to the shorter pieces, and for whatever reason it refused to work. I didn't want to take any heat to it to help it to curve better or easier, because I wasn't sure if that was safe for, breathing in, but I go ahead and use hot glue as reinforcement to keep it stuck down. Then I take the 4-piece photo frame I created and I just centered it on top of the Lazy Susan. And using this pretty tall glass from the Dollar Tree, these florals that I selected also from the Dollar Tree to create a bouquet, I set them inside the glass from Dollar Tree and fill in the gaps using glass gems also from the Dollar Tree. I'm trying to make sure that I fill in the gaps evenly just so that the bouquet will stand up straight instead of being lopsided. Now you can go ahead and skip this next part, but I went ahead and filled in the gap between the frame and the bouquet using some more Dollar Tree glass gems. In creating this project, I had considered making a base for this whole frame. However, I honestly debated about this while at the store and ended up not picking up anything at all. I tested out possibly using some spare frames I already had at home, but the problem is that the sizing won't be accurate because it won't be in the same design even if I painted it to make it match. And even if I take the glass piece out and use that at the bottom, my biggest concern would be if I'm putting the glass gems at the bottom like I wanted to, then there's a good chance I might actually break the glass. At least that's my concern, especially it being a Dollar Tree product. That being said, however, if you decide to skip the step of adding in the glass gems, feel free to find a frame with the right sized glass to attach using some more super glue. I go ahead and embellish my bouquet with some of this glittery clip-on dragonflies, and I'm also going around my bouquet using dragonfly string lights, and both of these were purchased on Temu. And here's the final result without the lights. And here it is with the lights on. And here it is with the string lights rearranged more inside and outside and with the lights on.
If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.